Welcome to our guide on how to invite friends to join your live video on Facebook. Let's go through the steps together. Begin by launching the Facebook app on your Android device. Tap on the What's on Your Mind section to create a new post. Select Live Video to start setting up your live broadcast. Tap on Go Live to begin broadcasting your video in real time. During your live video, tap the three lines at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap the invite icon located at the bottom left corner. Mark the friends you want to invite to join your live video, then tap Done to send them an invitation. By following these steps, you can easily invite friends to join your live video on Facebook, allowing for a more interactive and engaging broadcast. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to invite friends to join your live video on Facebook. Enhance your live broadcasting experience by inviting friends to join you in real time, creating a more dynamic and interactive connection with your audience. Enjoy sharing moments with your friends through live video on Facebook.